Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize implement OTP sign-in using Twilio Verify, complete guide step by step clearly. To implement OTP sign-in using Twilio Verify, begin by creating a Twilio account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. In the console, locate the Verify section. Click on Create Service to set up a new verification service. After creating the service, make a note of the service SID, as you will need it later. Next, install the Twilio helper library for your development environment. For a Node.js project, run the command npm install Twilio. In your project, create a new file for handling the verification process. Import the Twilio library at the top of your file. Initialize a new Twilio client using your account SID and auth token. To send an OTP, create a function that takes the user's phone number as an argument. Within this function, call the Twilio Verify API to send the OTP. Use the service SID you noted earlier to ensure the request is linked to your service. Check the API response to confirm that the OTP was sent successfully. Now, create another function to handle OTP verification. This function should accept the user's phone number and the OTP they received. Call the Twilio Verify API again to check the OTP against the sent code. Handle the response to determine if the verification was successful. If successful, grant access to the user and proceed with the login process. If unsuccessful, inform the user and allow them to re-enter the OTP. In your front-end application, create a user interface for OTP submission. Ensure a text field for the user to enter their phone number. Add another field for entering the received OTP. Provide buttons for sending the OTP and submitting the verification. Finally, test your implementation thoroughly. Check that users receive their OTPs and can successfully sign in. Make any necessary adjustments based on feedback to enhance user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.